Question Alpha 01, electrical current is measured in which of the following units? Answer is D. Amperes. Question Alpha 02, electrical power is measured in which of the following units? Answer is B. Watts. Question Alpha 03, what is the name for the flow of electrons in an electric circuit? Answer is D. Current. Question Alpha 04, what are the units of electrical resistance? Answer is C. Ohms. Question Alpha 05, what is the electrical term for the force that causes electron flow? Answer is A. Voltage. Question Alpha 06, what is the unit of frequency? Answer is A. Hertz. Question Alpha 07, why are metals generally good conductors of electricity? Answer is B. They have many free electrons. Question Alpha 08, which of the following is a good electrical insulator? Answer is B. Glass. Question Alpha 09, which of the following describes alternating current? Answer is C. Current that alternates between positive and negative directions. Question Alpha 10, which term describes the rate at which electrical energy is used? Answer is C. Power. Question Alpha 11, what type of current flow is opposed by resistance? Answer is D. All these choices are correct. Question Alpha 12, what describes the number of times per second that an alternating current makes a complete cycle? Answer is D. Frequency. Question Bravo 01, how many milliamperes is 1.5 amperes? Answer is C. 1500 milliamperes. Question Bravo 02, which is equal to 1,500,000 Hz? Answer is A. 1500 kHz. Question Bravo 03, which is equal to 1 kilovolt? Answer is C. 1000 volts. Question Bravo 04, which is equal to 1 microvolt? Answer is A. 1/1 millionth of a volt. Question Bravo 05, which is equal to 500 milliwatts? Answer is B. 0.5 watts. Question Bravo 06, which is equal to 3000 milliamperes? Answer is D. 3 amperes. Question Bravo 07, which is equal to 3.525 MHz? Answer is C. 3525 kHz. Question Bravo 08, which is equal to 1 million picofarads? Answer is B. 1 microfarad. Question Bravo 09, which decibel value most closely represents a power increase from 5 watts to 10 watts? Answer is B. 3 dB. Question Bravo 10, which decibel value most closely represents a power decrease from 12 watts to 3 watts? Answer is C. -6 dB. Question Bravo 11, which decibel value represents a power increase from 20 watts to 200 watts? Answer is A. 10 dB. Question Bravo 12, which is equal to 28,400 kHz? Answer is D. 28.400 MHz. Question Bravo 13, which is equal to 2425 MHz? Answer is C. 2.425 GHz. Question Charlie 01, what describes the ability to store energy in an electric field? Answer is D. Capacitance. Question Charlie 02, what is the unit of capacitance? Answer is A. The farad. Question Charlie 03, What describes the ability to store energy in a magnetic field? Answer is D. Inductance. Question Charlie 04, what is the unit of inductance? Answer is C. The Henry. Question Charlie 05, what is the unit of impedance? Answer is D. The ohm. Question Charlie 06, what does the abbreviation RF mean? Answer is A. Radio frequency signals of all types. Question Charlie 07, what is the abbreviation for megahertz? Answer is D. Megahertz. Question Charlie 08, what is the formula used to calculate electrical power, P, in a DC circuit? Answer is A. P equals I, E. Question Charlie 09, how much power is delivered by a voltage of 13.8 volts DC and a current of 10 amperes? Answer is A. 138 watts. Question Charlie 10, how much power is delivered by a voltage of 12 volts DC and a current of 2.5 amperes? Answer is B. 30 watts. Question Charlie 11, how much current is required to deliver 120 watts at a voltage of 12 volts DC? Answer is B. 10 amperes. Question Charlie 12, what is impedance? Answer is A. The opposition to AC current flow. Question Charlie 13, what is the abbreviation for kilohertz? Answer is D. Kilohertz. Question Delta 01, what formula is used to calculate current in a circuit? Answer is B. I equals E/R. Question Delta 02, what formula is used to calculate voltage in a circuit? Answer is A. E equals IXR. Question Delta 03, what formula is used to calculate resistance in a circuit? Answer is B. R equals E/I. Question Delta 04, what is the resistance of a circuit in which a current of 3 amperes flows when connected to 90 volts? Answer is B. 30 ohms. Question Delta 05, what is the resistance of a circuit for which the applied voltage is 12 volts and the current flow is 1.5 amperes? Answer is C. 8 ohms. Question Delta 06, what is the resistance of a circuit that draws 4 amperes from a 12 volt source? Answer is A. 3 ohms. Question Delta 07, what is the current in a circuit with an applied voltage of 120 volts and a resistance of 80 ohms? Answer is D. 1.5 amperes. Question Delta 08, what is the current through a 100 ohm resistor connected across 200 volts? Answer is C. 2 amperes. Question Delta 09, what is the current through a 24 ohm resistor connected across 240 volts? Answer is C. 10 amperes. Question Delta 10, what is the voltage across a 2 ohm resistor if a current of 0.5 amperes flows through it? Answer is A. 1 volt. Question Delta 11, what is the voltage across a 10 ohm resistor if a current of 1 ampere flows through it? Answer is B. 10 volts. Question Delta 12, what is the voltage across a 10 ohm resistor if a current of 2 amperes flows through it? Answer is D. 20 volts. Question Delta 13, in which type of circuit is DC current the same through all components? Answer is A. Series. Question Delta 14, in which type of circuit is voltage the same across all components? Answer is B. Parallel.